Hello and welcome to another episode of Chef Carter's Cooking Corner. Today I'm going to have a short tutorial on how to make your own tortilla chips at home without adding fat. So all you need is simply a few tortilla chips, a few corn tortillas, either the white or the yellow, and a little bit of salt. And you can make your own baked tortilla chips. So it's very simple. What you do is you line up your tortillas like this, get a sharp knife, cut your tortillas first that way, line them up again. Now depending on what size you want your chips, you could make them smaller if you like, but I like them about this size because they're good for scooping up sauces, or if you wanted to make nachos. So then you're going to line them up on your pan like so. You don't have to use the foil. So you line them up like so. And they can be slightly touching because they will shrink a little bit as they cook. So if they're just barely touching, that's fine. So then what I'm going to do is cook them for about 8 minutes on each side. So you cook them for 8 minutes. We're going to flip them over and cook them for 8 minutes more. All right. So these are ready to go in the oven at 400 degrees for 8 minutes. I just took these out and I'm going to flip them over. They're getting pretty crispy. So another 8 minutes on this side and they will be ready to go. So they might stick a little bit, but just work gently with them. They'll come up. Because there's enough fat in the natural corn, it won't stick too bad. See that? Oh, our chips have just finished coming out of the oven. Now you don't have to get them this brown. It can be a little lighter. But let's see if they taste. Have you ever had baked, homemade baked tortilla chips?
I don't think so.
All right, we'll try them, but they're hot, so be careful. Oh, let's move this pan out of the way because this pan is extremely hot. Oh, sorry, did I elbow you?
Yeah.
I apologize. All right, so we're gonna try it. Nice and crispy.
I like the salty too.
Okay. So what would you rate it?
Easy. Out of 10? 10.
Now you heard it from Lucas, a 10. Can you imagine this with some guacamole? Or turning these into nachos?
We should make guacamole sometime.
Sounds good.